daily activities in English. I love waking up and seeing text messages on my phone. I set the alarm for 7 o'clock. It's almost time to wake up. I brush my teeth twice a day. I take a shower before having breakfast. I drink tea in the morning. I love dressing up and wearing jewelries. I get up every day and make breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 every morning. I spent all weekend reading a historical novel. I often use social media to communicate with my friends. I have to check emails regularly to make sure that I don't miss anything. I always walk the dog before I go to bed. I am going to work early today because I have a lot of tasks to complete. I am driving right now, talk to you later. My friends and I take the bus to go to school. I have to attend the meeting next week. Usually, I only have a snack at lunchtime. I have lunch with my colleagues. You have grocery shopping, cooking and washing the dishes. I usually take a nap after lunch. I bought extra groceries in anticipation of heavy snowstorms. I spent the whole day cleaning the house. I peeled carrots and potatoes to make dinner. I have to feed the cat before going to work. I forgot to take my medication and now I am feeling unwell. I always check the weather forecast before deciding what to wear. I enjoy listening to music while I relax in the evening. My friends and I like to gather at my place and watch movies together. I look forward to going to bed and getting a good night's sleep. Before leaving the house, I make sure to lock the door. I spend my weekends gardening and nurturing the plants. I need to do the laundry because I'm running out of clean clothes. I dislike ironing clothes because it can be time-consuming and tedious. I try to exercise regularly to stay fit and maintain a healthy lifestyle. We decided to hang out at the park and enjoy the beautiful weather.